Hey guys, I'm Divina with the Plant-Based Palette, and today we are going to be unboxing a new kitchen appliance that I'm really freaking excited about. Nama juicer. You can make cold pressed juices right at home. So let's open this up. Oh my goodness, how cute is this packaging? The link saying to open here, so at the bottom, be opening there. Oh my gosh, how beautiful this is. My Virgo moon is going nuts. It's so organized. We have the base, we have the chamber set with the guide in there apparently. This is the cleaning brush, the pulp catcher container, the smoothie strainer. Everything is just in perfectly neat boxes. Hey, let's get this all set up. I'm gonna start with the little ones first. Take these ones out. Oh, cute. The box says, a warm welcome from Nama. So cute. I'm so excited. Okay, all right, let's do this. Start from the ground up. We're gonna start with the base. Opening this up. Okay, cute. So I got it in the white color. The cord, so this is the base. It's very sleek. It's just on, off, rev. And then the cord that has a nice little strap like this onto the back like this. Easy enough. Now we're gonna move on to the chamber set. Oh, and then the starter guide. Wow. Everything is just really well designed. I love things that are user-friendly and also tasteful. So cute. So it seems like there's a bunch of recipes in here. And I just love all the little branding throughout it. It says a warm welcome. Okay. There's a warning to not ever put fingers or other objects into the hopper juice outlet. Okay. Was never planning on to, but thank you for that warning. Okay. It seems like there's just a latch, like where this handle is underneath. Just take your pointer finger and pull, and it pops right open. Cool, so that's like where we put all the good stuff, and then that's where it catches it. I'm guessing it goes like this, or no, it goes like this. Okay, so this is important to know. So, you guys, guess a rule of thumb is the handle will be facing forward where the knob is, so it'll be facing front, and there's two insets here. There is a deeper one and then a more shallow one. So it seems that where the pulp goes out, so this is the where the pulp will go out, it seems, and then this is like where the catches the juice, where you just like lift it open and the juice comes out. So that one will go in the more shallow inset, and then the pulp one goes in the deeper inset. And just an easy way to also keep in mind about that is having the handle at the same, it's facing forward where this little knob is. It's a cutie little knob. Okay. Oh, cool, and they also have a layering guide here that makes it easy. So you wanna load your hopper in this order for best results. So the bottom would have like the leafy greens, and then the soft, like the citruses, and the mediums would be cucumbers, celery, and then the hards are like the beets and the carrots. So keep that in mind. So always wanting to load up first the softer to the harder, from the bottom to the top. Cool, that's good to know and super helpful. I'm gonna put that in the starter guide. Cute. All right, and then now we have the smoothie strainer. Looking at the starter guide and making sure that, although I want to practice my Spanish, I'm going to go to the English. Cool. So there's two strainers. We got the smoothie strainer, and then we got the, okay. Juice container. Unlock this. You just seems to push this way, and that unlocks. Cool. And then this is the juice strainer. This is the juice strainer that's already in here. It's a lot finer, you'll see. And then this is the smoothie strainer. So you just put that in there and then put this little, it looks like a little swirly bomb to make some bomb juices. Just have to make sure that's in there. And then having this be on the side and then twisting it in this motion. Two little, in the strainers, there are like two little, I don't even know what you would call these, but so you see in here, there are like two insets inside of the bottom part of, there's like a smaller one, oopsies, smaller one and a larger one. I want to make sure that the strainers also align with their little, it's almost like two little handles, but one is larger and one's smaller, and that goes for both the smoothie and also the juice strainer. So you want to make sure you match up big with big, small with small, and then making sure that's fully in there, locked in. Cool. And then as for this little this auger blade, or we're gonna make sure it's fully in there. Press the auger, oh I'm sorry, it's called an auger. So this is like an auger blade, apparently that's what this is called, an auger blade. And we wanna firmly press it down so that the blade is flush with the top of the strainer. Cool. So it says, yeah. Okay, so that's fully pushed down. Then I'm gonna align this little line with the unlock line. Okay, cool. And then, okay, this was my error. So you want to make sure that this is completely, this only locks and unlocks when it's not on the base. So you're going to take this out, make sure it's completely off the base, and then you're going to match it up with the unlock and then have it be locked, and then you can place it on there. Cool. And then now that's fully in there, sturdy. Cute. Okay. cool. So this is the pulp container. We just place that like that. The juice container, I'll go right here. And now we have our pusher and brush cleaner. It's kind of similar to a Vitamix in a sense, where you're just gonna push that down like so. And then this is to clean it, making sure it's nice and clean. This is it, y'all. The Nama juicer. Recipes and a quick starter guide to make it easy. Oh, look, like they have all of the like very clearly labeled components to the Nama juicer. And it's also just beautiful. The colors they use, the typography. They have some tips and tricks. So I'd say one of the #1 tips that I have, especially if you're gonna change out or clean out, well, you should always clean out, but you know, if you're changing it from a juicer strainer to a smoothie strainer, always make sure just have it lifted off, because there is a little widget in here that automatically locks the juicer. So what the trouble that I was having was not being able to like fully lock this into place, because then once you put it in here, it like presses a button which shoots it up and completely locks it. So I like how sturdy and stable that is. Well, if you found this helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, a like, comment below, and subscribe to this channel, as I will be making so many juices, nut milks, oat milks, all the things with this juicer. I'm really excited for this, and I just again want to give my gratitude to Nama Juicer for gifting me this really beautiful juicer. It looks sleek. You can have this on the countertop and it's not an eyesore, and just really simple and straightforward. I'm gonna make some amazing juices. So, bye long, and see you next time. Much love.